Drone. Have purchased a drone. It's flying its way to me from China. It's £23, free delivery, shipping, we're going to call it. And it's awesome. It's one of these things that I haven't even seen it yet. I've seen lots of videos about it. It's a P15, I think it's called, or something like that. It's zoomy, starts with an X. But the reason I think it's blowing my ancient brain is because it was only about 4 years ago when I thought it was awesome getting a 4K little camera, which got smashed up in my crash, for £100, one little camera. Whereas now this one's got three 4K cameras. I think one of the cameras is an 8K camera, and it's a drone for £23. And I have no idea what the laws are like for drones. I would have thought, common sense wise, that you don't fly it around other people without their permission. Or if it's something that could interfere with something else, like industry, that kind of stuff, or military. Basically, as long as you're only recording yourself in your own space, or a space that does not have other people in it, that should be okay. Flying over a school to the showers would be a no-no. It happens a lot. So I thought I'd get a video with someone who seems to actually who's giving a list of the actual requirements and the laws. And what this guy keeps doing is pushing the usual agenda. Flyer ID is free to do, and I would recommend it, even though it's not a requirement. The reason why they want people to have things like Flyer ID is not to protect people, it's so they know who you are and what you are doing, your ethnicity, your nationality, where you live, and all the other access to your information. You apply for that ID, that gives them access to all your information via cookies when you go to the website to use it, because you have to click on cookies before you can apply for it, which allows them to install spyware on your device and therefore have access to all your information. That's why they do it for free, because they make more money from flogging your details to America. So I'm only 3 minutes into this video. It's only a 30-minute video. And the first bit is on about Class A or something. It's basically, or Class C, or what it's called. But basically it's saying that, what I just said, you're not supposed to fly it within 150 meters. Of course, he's using the expression yards because he's catering this to an American audience, even though he's English and talking about English law. But he's still using Americanized expressions like yards and courts and things. But yeah, essentially he's saying that as long as you're not within 150 meters of a residential place, like a playing field or structure, then it's okay. But he's talking about getting a license, even though you don't need one, getting identification, even though you don't need it, which is kind of creepy that this guy's pushing what is essentially a state authorized identification when you don't even need it. That's quite disturbing.